In this clip we'll be going over how to steam eggs.
Okay, to steam your eggs, all you have to do is get some water into your pot, your steam pot here. And then you already have the strainer ready set up so you can put the eggs in, because the eggs can crack. So you just put the eggs in. I'm going to put 5 eggs, okay. Put it on top, close the lid. Alright, so let's check on our eggs here. This is about 20 minutes. That's usually the time for things to steam. With eggs, if you want them to cool down really fast, just have a little bucket of cold water near. And it cools down a lot faster than it would if it wasn't in water. Okay, let's check this eggs out. As you can see, it's nice and done.